record on this computer. Perfect. It started recording, guys. Do not worry about the recording. You're going to get that. Okay. Let me share my screen to you. Perfect. So we have something called a Shopify, right? Okay. Let me go to shopify.com. So shopify.com. Let me log in. Okay. That's my dummy Shopify site, guys. Okay. Now see this, guys. This is where you upload your products, right? We saw how to create a collection already. This is where you upload your products. Right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a software or a tool called as canva.com, where you can upload all your t-shirts, right? Okay. This will be a practice. The main thing will be starting in the next week, guys. So just have some patience. So after that, just go with custom designs here, custom dimensions here, and just type in 2500. Okay. Just type in 2500 into 2500. Okay. And just say, click on create design. Okay. Now, what you need to do? So what you need to do is you need to upload a black t-shirt. Here we have an upload option. How do you get a black t-shirt? Just go to Google. Okay. Just go to Google and type in black t-shirt. Okay. Just go to images. Whatever black t-shirt you find, right? See, this is also good. This is also good, but make sure that it is perfect for you. So let me take a nice t-shirt for you. Okay, let me take this. Okay, save the image as perfect. Okay, now let me go to desktop. Perfect, I saved it, guys. Now what will I do is I'll upload the black t-shirt here. Follow the process, guys. Follow the process. I'll just go to uploads option. Okay, upload an image. Okay, I'll go to device. I'll go to desktop. I got it. Okay, I'm just uploading it. It's a JPG image. It's okay. It's okay. JPG image or PNG image. That's okay. Okay, got it. Now see, guys, just click on this and drag it. Just click on this and drag it. Okay, I dragged up. Okay. Now this is your black t-shirt. Simple black t-shirt. Now what you're going to, and let me tell you a pro tip right now, guys. Let me tell you a small hack in t-shirt business. The most sellable color is black. Okay, black is the most sellable color. If you wanted to start your own POD, you need to basically do more business on black. I get good number of orders on black. My students are getting good number of orders for only black t-shirt. So after you upload the black t-shirt here, right? After you upload the black t-shirt here, what you need to do is you need to upload a design. So I have already got my designs with me. Okay. I already have designs with me. What about white? White also works. Guys, questions in the Q&A section, not in the chat, please. Because I cannot go to the chat each and every time and check your questions. Please in the Q&A section. Thank you. So already I have got around 500 designs with me already. Okay. Now I'll tell you how do you work on it. Okay. Let me double click on this. Say I got something like, let me work with Moto. Okay. Moto bole to, that's bicycle or motorcycle. Let me click on this. Okay. You can see, can you see this? Can you see the PNG file here? Okay. Let me show you the actual PNG file. Let me extract this. Okay. Okay. Already extracted, I guess. Okay. So let me click on this. Let me go to Moto. Sorry. Okay. I got it on the desktop. Okay. Now let me double click on it. I got all the Moto designs here. Now I'll upload the Moto design. So upload an image or a video. Go to device. Okay. We have got Moto here. Hey, I got the designs here. I got the design. So let me upload all the designs. Let me upload all the design. Just open it. Okay. So I'm uploading all the designs of motorcycles, guys. People who love to ride. Okay. Okay, perfect. Now see this, guys. Now see this. Okay, let me. This is a design I wanted to check, and the designs are in PNG format. PNG format. Design has to be in PNG format, like I said you in the last class. Just click on this. I got the image here. Just adjust it on the T-shirt. Okay. See this. Okay, this particular T-shirt, just put it on somewhat top. You lost me at I don't ride, something like that. This looks cool. This design looks cool. Okay, and if you wanted to add more number of colors, I'm going to tell you how to do that on Monday's class maybe. Okay, if you're okay with this, just go download here. Okay, and just go ahead and download here, and file type must be PNG. Okay, what's happening? Okay. So size must be 2500 to 2500, or you can go for 3000 into 3000 as well. That's also okay. I don't know what's the problem with Canva. But try downloading it. Okay, let me refresh it again, guys. Okay, it's still uploading the images. Okay. Let it upload, or else let me refresh once. Okay, let me go to uploads. I guess I got some uploads here. Okay, I got only 2 uploads, guys. Let me click on this. Okay, see this, guys. See this is a nice T-shirt. Some guys have to wait a lifetime to meet their favorite rider. Mine calls me dad. Okay, so the target is very clear. Rider plus dad lovers are the target audience for this. And after that, just download it. Okay, let me have more designs, guys. Let me have more designs. Okay, again I'll add a new page. Or else, okay, let me do one thing. Let me delete this. Let me tell you once again. Okay, now see, I got a T-shirt here, and after that, I just go ahead and download the T-shirt. Perfect. Let me go ahead and download the T-shirt. Okay, done. I've got one. And after this, guys, what you need to do, just click on this and delete it. The process is very simple. Click on that and delete it. Let me upload some new images as well. Okay, let me upload this. Yeah, let me upload this. So give me some time, guys, so it gets uploaded. It will take some time, some little time. Till then, let me take your questions. Okay. How to get design approved before approaching designers? Just send it to me. I'll review your designs. If I say okay, after that you can approach your freelancers. Okay, not able to see file. What file? Okay, now you're able to. That's a PNG format, right? So mostly it will be in the very light colors in the white background. Will I get designs from you? Actually, I didn't get designs from you, Hitesh. I'm going to get designs. Don't worry. I'm going to send you that. Not worry about that. But before that, please complete your assignments. I'm going to send you the designs. Yes, don't worry about that. I'm going to put those designs in the Dropbox, and that will be in the WhatsApp group description. Okay, don't worry about the designs. But please start working. Okay, how to share designs to design. I didn't get your question, Akib. I didn't get your question. Please go ahead and ask me again. My son is a pro in graphic. How? Wow, Mahesh. Okay, nice. His son is a pro in graphic design. Then I think you're saving a lot of money there. Change the pixel into 3000 to 3000. Yes, you can change the pixel into 3000 to 3000. Okay, you want me to change? I'll change that. Don't worry. Yeah, same like my assignment. Okay. Now let me go to homepage, guys. Okay, let it upload. It's taking a lot of time to upload. So how do we share our designs to designer? Just send him the Google Drive link. Just send him the Google Drive link. All the designs will be there. No issues about that designs. Any more questions in the chat, in the Q&A section, guys? Come on. Okay, all the designs are now uploaded. Okay, that's a plain T-shirt, guys. Now let me. Okay, let me click on this. See, Okay, see this very nice, guys. Very nice. To we all get addicted to something that takes away the pain. That's a bike rider. That's a bike rider. Okay. If you love this, just upload the design and just say download it. Okay. Download this. Okay. I got one more download, and after that I delete this. Yeah. See this. Blood, sweat, and gears. Perfect. Nice design again. Nice designs again. Guys, please listen to the class, not on the chat or not on WhatsApp chat, please. Okay. Nice design again. Just adjust in the middle. Okay. Is it good? Okay, let me go on to the top again. Okay, it looks good now. It looks good. Okay, after that, just download. I got 3 t-shirts here right now. Perfect. And let me take one more, and after that, I'll start uploading this product onto the store. Perfect. And okay, after that, just delete this again. Let me take Moto is my life. Okay, now this. I love throttle. I love throttle to the deep. I didn't understand, but maybe. Okay. Is also good, I guess. Okay, just say download. Okay. Now I have downloaded almost 4 images, I guess. Yeah, 4 images, 4 PNG form, four t-shirt designs. Now, did I download? Okay, let it be downloaded. Okay, now it's downloaded. Now let me go back to my store. Okay, now let me create a collection, guys. Let me create a collection. Create a collection. Click on collection here. Okay, bikers collection. Let me name it as a bikers collection. Okay. Right. Okay, create a collection. This is how you create a collection. We already saw this in the last class. Just type in bikers collection. Okay, if you wanted to add an image, you can add an image. Okay, click on manual here. Perfect, and just say save. Perfect. Now I'm going to add some products, and those particular products will be added in the bikers collection. Okay, so products. Now let me add products. Let me add 4 products by the way. Okay, just click on add product here. Okay, here let me put in biker 1. I'm just title is an example, guys. Title is just an example. Collections, biker collection. Let me add a file. Let me add a file. Let me go to downloads. Okay, I got one. I got one. The comparison price is around $24.99, but I wanted to sell it for $15.99. Okay, and just scroll down and just availability. Just put in 10,000 here, and after that, save. Simple. Okay, one product is uploaded. One product is uploaded into the collections of bikers. Okay, create another product. Let me name it as biker 2. Let me name it as biker 2. Scroll down, collections, biker collection. Okay, add this file. Let me add, let me go to downloads. Okay, let me add this. And I'll give the specifications anyways. We are going to discuss on Monday, guys, specifications. And after that, let it load completely. Let the image load. Okay, image loaded. And after that, just save it. Just save it, save it, save it. Okay, now create another product. Product number 3, biker 3. Biker 3, scroll down, go to collections, click on biker collection, add the file to this one. Let this load. Oh, I guess we forgot to add the pricing 24.99. I'm selling it for 15.99. Okay, so make it 1000 here. Okay, right? Save. Save. Let me add one more product, biker 4, and then I'm going to show you something which is very important. Okay. Just click on create another product. Okay. Biker 4. Okay. Collections. Biker collection. Add a file. Add this. Okay, let me scroll down. Let me type it 24.99 and here it is 15.99. Scroll down and make it 1000 available. Okay, 1000 available. Scroll up and this is it. So now let me go and check my store. Now let me go and check my store. This is my store live right now. Guys, where is the biker collection? Here we do not have any biker collection. What should I do? What should I do? If I wanted to have something called as bikers collection here, what should I do? Let me know in the chat box or let me know in the chat box what should I do if I wanted to have a biker collection there. Page, okay. Rajesh, no. Okay, add a biker collection to the main menu. Cynthia said perfect. It's not a page, it's a collection, right, Rajesh? It's a collection, not a page. Jeevan, it's not a page, man. Come on. It's not a page, it's a collection. Page is different, collection is different. Page is static, collection is dynamic. Page is about us, contact us, all this comes under pages. Yeah, Sagar says right, Cynthia said right. We need to add that particular biker collection to the main menu, right? That's what we need to do. Yeah. So what we need to do, just let me go ahead, go back here. How to do that? Just click on online store, just click on navigation. Right here again you find two, right? Footer menu and main menu. Just click on main menu. Okay, add this main menu. Now what should I add? What should I type in? Bikers collection. Bikers collection, and the link should be collection link, not a page link. Collection, because you created a collection. Let me scroll down. Here it is, bikers collection, and after that just add. Okay, after you add, just a save. Just a save. Okay, let me take questions. Is it possible to change the name of shop in Shopify? If you booked a domain, I think it's not possible right now. What is the charge of the tax? You're not going to charge any tax as of now because I forgot to change that. What to do when your collections grow in size? It looks ugly on main menu. Then you can actually have a drop down option. I'm going to train you on that. I'm going to train you on that. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay. You are fast. Okay, so okay, sorry. So okay, let me delete this again. Let me tell you once again. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, now it's my store right now. I'm explaining you once again. Sorry for the disturbance and all. Okay, we have something called as bikers collection here. Okay, let me save it right now. You'll not find bikers collection right now here. Did it get saved? Yeah, menu saved. Okay, let me delete this. Let me click on this. Okay, still I get a biker collection there. Okay, it's okay, guys, no issues. Okay, click on menu and here type in bikers collection. Okay, let me type in biker collection 1, link collections, and you have bikers collection here. Just say add. Okay, after you add it, just save it. After you save it, okay, now you should find a collection name here. See, biker collection 1. You got a bikers collection 1. The old biker collection went off. Now let me add the products are already added to biker collection 1. If you click on this, you'll find all the products. See this. You find all the products. Got it? You find all the products here in the bikers collection here. Okay. Now let me go back to the store right now. Okay. Let me click on themes, guys. Please concentrate. Let me go on to the themes right now. If you're not getting, watch the recording again. Watch the recording again. Let me click on customize. Okay. Now let me go to homepage and show you how exactly it looks like. And now see this. Now I wanted to add bikers collection here. Okay. Now, okay. Here you have feature collection, right? Just click on that. Select the collection. Very simple. and click on bikers collection. You'll get all the t-shirts here. See, perfect. Feature collection. You'll get all the bikers collection. Okay. Now this is saved. So all the t-shirts which are there in bikers collection will be onto the home page right now. Okay, let me refresh. Now, see, I got it. So my product store, all the bikers collection t-shirts are here. Let me know in the chat box if everything is clear till here. Let me know in the chat box. If you have any more doubts, I'll take up your doubt sessions now. Let me know in the chat box. Okay, if it is clear, just say clear, guys. That's it. Come on. Mahesh Patel says, okay, no. Clear, perfect. Thank you. Everybody says clear. So it's very easy to create collection, guys, and adding collection to the homepage. Now you can customize. The best way is to pause the recording and do the assignment side by side. Yes, Cynthia, the best way is that. The best way is to pause the recording, do it, and start again, do it, start again, pause it. That's how you need to do. Okay, everything is clear? Perfect. So that's what you need to do. That's what you need to do. For understanding purpose, to practice purpose, what I can do is I can give you, maybe I can give you, I got around 500 designs with me right now. Okay, maybe I can give you the top. These designs I'll be giving you anyways. Okay, anyways I'll give you these designs, guys. Okay, I'll give you these designs. Just check that out. Okay. Any more questions? Let me know in the chat box, or we are open for Q&A right now. How to get high quality black t-shirt pic because Google downloaded images are poor quality. You can go with teespring.com. Okay, let me show you one more part. Okay, or else I'll do one thing. I'll share you the black picture as well. Okay, I'll share that for you. Don't worry. Okay, what to do when our collections grow in size? It looks ugly on the main menu. Akib, I'll discuss this in the Monday's class. What you can do is you can have a sub menu option, drop down option. I'll discuss that in the Monday's class. Any more questions, guys? Let me know in the chat box. Let me know in the chat box if you have any more questions. Till then, what will I do is I'll create a Dropbox for you. Sorry, Dropbox. Okay, create a new file. Okay. Upload a file. Stop. 500. Okay. I'm giving you this, guys. I'm giving you this. Create a new folder. Let me type in t-shirt. Okay. T-shirt. Okay. Project. I believe t-shirt designs. Okay. Upload. So file created, uploading 500 designs.rar file. Okay. Let it upload. Let it upload. You have mentioned 4 to 5 niches to the research. It is related to t-shirt codes which are to be printed on it. It may be a t-shirt code. It may be emotion-based code. It may be some sort of humorous thing. Any text works. But do not sell plain t-shirts, guys. Sell only t-shirts which has got some meaning, which has got some text. I hope I answered all your questions. What is the relationship niche? It is related to t-shirts. Yes, relationship t-shirts are related to t-shirts. Relationship tees bole to it is the grandfather t-shirt, grandmother t-shirt, sister, brother. All this comes under relationship t-shirts. Okay, who would be shipping the t-shirt and manufacturing these design t-shirts? Debayan, I'm going to discuss this on Monday. I'm going to introduce to my vendors. Okay, I'm going to introduce to my vendors. My vendor, not mine. I'll tell you a small hack there. Okay, maximum number of POD people use that. I'm going to tell you a small hack on Monday. Okay, let me check if the file is okay. It's taking a lot of time to upload. Okay. Next class, it will be on Monday, guys. Next class will be on Monday. Till then, I want you guys to start research and upload all your projects onto the Canva, download it there, and upload it onto the website. Yeah. Any more questions? Let me know in the chat box. Yeah, Sagar, I got it. I got it. Sagar, I got it. I'll check it and let you know. When product research for other products apart from POD, we didn't yet start drop shipping to him, so it will take some time. Ashishan, can we add plain t-shirt as they are good in selling number as said? Please suggest plain t-shirts are already available in many stores. So why will they come to us and buy it? Didn't receive last recording? No. Who said the last recording is not there? Let me show you right away. Refresh your WhatsApp, man. Okay. Last class recording I uploaded already. Sorry. Please share insight on themes. Madhav, I'm going to share a theme as soon as you complete your research. Right, I'm going to share a theme. Okay, that will be on Monday. I'm going to get a theme called as Turbo theme. Yeah, please share your Google document assignment link, guys. And okay. Science says I did not decide any needs yet. Okay, but practice science. It's okay if you do not like. If you did not like POD, just you can remove POD. But I want you guys to practice once. Yeah, turbo theme. Turbo. The theme name is Turbo theme. And guys, I'm telling you once again, I'm getting requests to show where are the assignments and where are the recordings. I'm going to show you right away. Can you please share one place? Yeah, one place is already there. Okay, Ashish, I'm going to show you. See, we have project, I believe, right? So go to project, I believe. Click on this. You'll find a Google document. Just click on this. All the details are here. So you'll find all the recordings at one place itself. See this. So here is where you'll find all the recordings. See, replay video, meeting recording, and day 5. Day 5 will be again here. Okay, day 5 I'm going to upload in this here. Okay. So everything will be there. Don't worry about the recordings and all. Okay. Ashish, hope I answered your question. Let me know in the chat box or somewhere. I hope I answered your question. Okay, guys. Next class will be on Monday. Before that, I'm sharing you the Dropbox link. Okay. Before that, you can check the Dropbox link and download all the designs and upload those designs on canva.com and download from there and upload it on the website. What about one-to-one every week? You can book your one-to-ones, there's no issues, but it's too early to have one-to-one right now. So do not waste your one-to-ones. As I offered you 3 one-to-ones or more, you can take more one-to-ones as well, but do not waste your one-to-ones. Let some more knowledge come into you, then we'll have one-to-ones. Yeah, it's slow. It's too early. I know that, Satish. Yeah. Okay. That being said, if you have any questions, let me know in the chat in the Q&A section. Yeah, Ashish. Only I can edit it because if I give the control, right? If you type something, everything will be everything gone. Okay, it is only one unisex t-shirt that we should use. As of now, only one, Cynthia. As of now, only one. By Monday, I'm going to share you the vendor details, so everything will be set up there. I want you to do the hardest way right now. The easiest way is yet to come. The easiest way of uploading all your designs is yet to come. That will be shared on Monday. Okay, so we'll start selling. BEFI, what's that? Video shattering. Okay. Okay, guys, no issues. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the session. Let me know the rating in the chat box right now. Out of 10. Out of 10, how much are you rating? Voice not clear. Guys, please check your internet, man. Seriously. Everything is clear here. Yeah. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. I'll be sharing the recording right away. Maybe you can expect the recording in 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, you can expect the recording. And also, I'll share the Dropbox link where you can download and upload. Yeah. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.